I like technology a lot. It is one of my overweights for this year. I remain long technology. If you're a trader, it has been the most crowded trade, I think, for some time. We've seen that over across many different reports saying that investors are certainly all in on tech, and for good reason. Look, I think these are companies that have changed all our lives for the better, and I think that's a good sign. But the degree to which many of these companies are now being sought after for antitrust and sort of being pushed by the administration, I sense that could be, an eventual issue. Technically, I still like the sector. Many of them are starting to get so-called overbought. And so, based on my prior comments, I think that it's going to take time. I think that seeing a 15 to 20% move off the lows in many of these tech stocks, is something we want to greet with warmly on an intermediate term basis. But short term, my upside for S&P is likely right around 5,900. And so we only have probably 100 points before we show some consolidation. But that would be viable, in my view, into any sort of pullback in June.